Surrey Rolling Road, folks. So it will be interesting. My turn is up now to run the bad boy.
Mine doesn't get the whistle. It must be to do something to do with different turbos. Because yours has got, I think yours. What's been done to it?
Nothing performance wise.
Similar to the other one.
Yeah, pretty much.
So
Yeah, cat back system. Yeah.
PO68.
KRG. Yeah, you. Yeah, I know. He nearly got it there as well. They're not straight though, which bothers me slightly. So for a 165 stock car, guys, my car's running 178.3 horsepower, which is pretty sick, pretty unassuming as well, because you would assume it to be the numbers that it's given from the factory. So I'm very happy with that. Very happy with that. Got a catback system and a turbo intake hose pipe, and yeah, or turbo elbow essentially. But yeah, guys, I'm very happy with that. 178.3. Sick. Now time for some mod.